Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got another Stampin' Up haul. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what I got. I'm super excited, so much fun stuff, but there's one kit that I'm really excited about. So I did get a few items, some Stamp and Seal. I got that for my holiday adhesive packs. So I will have those. And I got this heartfelt hexagon and the Hearts of Elegance dies. You guys, I'm gonna have to show you that. Ooh, that whole entire suite. I am in a in my friend's bedroom, so I am makeshift, but I had to show you. Look at how cute these flowers, or not flowers, these dragonflies and those birds. They're so cute. And then the Hearts of the Elegance. So I told you about the dies. There are lots of little hearts and stuff, but look at these kind words for Valentine's as well. So I got those. I just had to get this little Pets and More photopolymer stamp. And why? Because sadly, I've got lots of people with their little cats and their little dogs who are losing their little pets. And I wanted to get a cute set to be able to make a sympathy card. So this is called the Christmas Everywhere Kit. And I grabbed that. I'll do an unboxing of that for you. And then this one is called Nature's Paintings, and I'll do an unboxing of that for you as well. So if you want to see those, make sure you are signed up. These are the Meandering Meadows. This is from the annual catalog, and I did grab these just because they're so beautiful and can make quick and easy cards, and I just love that set that I had to buy a new one. And then finally, I told you I got the little suite of the Hearts of Elegance, and there is Marbled Elegance, although this one got crumpled. The papers look okay, but we've got that, and I'm sad. Look, you can see the crumple there. And the thing that I love about Stampin' Up is it doesn't look like the paper. I mean, this is the only part of the paper. So if I don't use that part, or it really doesn't even look crumpled on this side, but if it did, I could call Stampin' Up and be like, hey, this got crumpled, and they would replace it. And that's why I love Stampin' Up so much, because, you know, things happen and they take responsibility, and I love that. So again, the Christmas Everywhere Kit and the Nature's Paintings Kit. And if you are in person, if you're in the Arizona area, I do a kit together and we go play bingo, like real live bingo. And I like to use the machine, and the machine does all my bingo stuff for me, and I get to sit and put kits together. So I get to play bingo and put kits together. That is so much fun. So if you did want to check out my kit togethers, if you're in Arizona and want to meet me for one, you can go to BeautyandtheStamper.com, and my calendar is on there, or you can go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, and my calendar is on there as well, and you'll be able to see all the different events that I do. So I hope to hear from you. I hope to see you soon, and make sure you give me a big thumbs up if you like what you see. And if you are thinking about going to one of my events, put it in the comments, would you? And tell me what kind of events you might like to see. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.